Hello everyone, thank you for joining me today. If this is your first time here, my name is Unwana Udoh, and every week I share content that can help you master your personal finance and grow your wealth. So thank you so much for joining me today. In today's topic, we're going to discuss if there is more to life than chasing money. Now, before we jump right in, I just want to have a little disclaimer. I am not a tax professional. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a regular guy on YouTube, just sharing content with my fellow subscribers to help you navigate certain pitfalls with personal finance. So if you're not sure who I am, I have a background in banking. I'm currently in the banking sector. I work for a community bank in Connecticut, and I have a lot of experience when it comes to money, finance, personal experience, and also professional experience. So that's where I'm coming from. Now, most of us in life, we're constantly chasing money. If you log into YouTube or most social media platforms, all you see is people trying to display wealth, trying to so-called flex. Unfortunately, most of those people are frauds. The reason why I say that is it's very easy today to get things. You can rent cars very easily. You can go to certain platforms, car sharing platforms, and you can rent cars from there, and then you take a few pictures, you take a few videos, and you post it to your social media platform, and all your friends and family see that and they think, oh my god, this person is living their best life ever. Unfortunately, that's not really the case. Now, the reason why I said you shouldn't just concentrate on chasing money, yes, it's good to have goals, yes, it's good to aspire for things, but unfortunately money shouldn't be your main focus. Okay, most people neglect their family because they're constantly pursuing money, trying to secure the bag, as some people say, at the expense of their family. I have gone through this personally, where I concentrated basically on making money and not being there for my family, and unfortunately it cost me. Okay, it cost me my marriage. There were other factors as well, but I'm just saying, you shouldn't just have money as the sole purpose. You shouldn't just have money consume you, like chasing money. You need to find time to devote your time to other aspects of life, like your family, like your friends. Okay, I'm not saying you should abandon chasing money and just concentrate on family, but you need to make sure that you spend some time with your family as well. Because at the end of the day, it's not just how much money you've accumulated, but it's how much of a person you've become. Okay, what have you contributed to society? What have you contributed to your community? Okay, and it's not just about money. Okay, it's about building relationships with people. Okay, it's about being there for your friends, being there for your family. What good will it make for you to have all this money and you're lonely and you have no friends? You have no one to share that money with. Okay, so this is something that you have to keep in mind, that you can't just chase money. Okay, money shouldn't consume you. Money shouldn't be the only thing that you're after. You need to make sure that you have a balance in your life. Okay, your spiritual life, which I'm still working on. I'm not trying to tell you that I'm perfect. Okay, I just came back from the gym and I just wanted to shoot this video. So life is a process. Life isn't a sprint. Okay, most people assume success and life and everything should happen overnight. The microwave generation. Okay, you pop in your food in the microwave, you hit a couple buttons, and 5 minutes after you have your dinner. Life isn't like that. Life has ups and downs, but you have to realize that there is more to life than just chasing money. So I hope you found value in my videos. If you find value in my videos, please make sure you share my videos with people, with your friends, with your family. And also, if you found value here, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And also, remember to hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. And also hit the notification bell so YouTube will notify you of my latest videos. So I want to thank you all for being here. The channel is slowly growing. And please, we're trying to get to 12,000 subscribers. So please help us get there by next month. Okay, that's my goal, to get to 12,000 subscribers by November 1st. So please, the push is on. Let's get over 12,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate you all. So thank you so much again for joining me, and make sure you watch the next video coming up. it's going to contain some information you find valuable. So I'll catch you in my next video. And as usual, be true to yourself, be true to your goals, and never ever give up. Okay, bye bye.